What a fantastic day. Nifty has crossed 17,000 and sustains. What an amazing chart. So in this post-market report, we will discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Before moving on to Nifty, let's check the SGX Nifty. Here again we can see there are two strong bullish candles yesterday as well as today. And that clearly reflects in Nifty as well. Although in SGX Nifty, yesterday's candle was more bullish and today the SGX Nifty is not closed yet. So we'll have to see when it closes what's the momentum and what's the candle size. But from Nifty's candle size, you can see that today it was more bullish. I would like to quickly highlight to you the FII-DII data, and we can see that the FII-DIIs have become net buyers, and that is one of the major reasons we can see that the markets are booming so much. Here you could see that the FII-DIIs have been selling, and yet in our markets the markets were still rising even after the selling phase, and because retailers were buying. Now even when the FII-DIIs have turned net buyers and retailers are also buying, and hence the markets are booming so much. So this is clearly a very good and positive sign. Question would be, what is the peak and what is the height? So we can see that the long term trend line, the bottom trend line is this, and if we just duplicate this as a clone and put it on the heights, so this goes from the peaks, and if I do a duplicate one more and I clone it and I take at the closing prices, so these are approximately the closing prices. It is going through the maximum closing prices, so we can see a kind of a range getting built up over here. So let's go and check this in the daily chart. Based on the trend line, upper limit, as you can see, for September month, when the September will end, so here is the 30th September, and for 30th September the upper limit is 18,418. Okay, so it is around 18,400, and that means 18,400 to 500 can be the upper limit from where the markets will turn back. So in case after Nifty rising so much, some of you must be afraid as to what is the next step. So I can say Nifty is still in the middle of the channel, and the upper limit as of today it is 18,000, and the lower limit as of today 16,000. So this is the channel, and by October 1 the limit turns out to be 18,500 and the lower turns out to be 16,500. So we can see that in the coming month, by the end of the month of September, Nifty is likely to trade between 18,500 to 16,500. So this would be the trading range. Let's check the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, again we could see that the candle was quite bullish yesterday, but today Bank Nifty seems to be in a consolidation phase, but in a positive consolidation. So the Nifty was 1.19% up, but Bank Nifty was only 0.21% up. In a larger time frame, the channel of Bank Nifty still the same. So Bank Nifty is trading in its regular channel, and we could see that Bank Nifty is also in the middle of the channel, and we can see that on September 30th or October 1, it can go as high as 41,000 or it can come to as low as 32,000. So Nifty has a very broad range of 32,000 to 41,000. It's approximately a 10,000 point broad range. So it can go 5,000 point up or 5,000 point down. But from the long time, we can see that it's still consolidating. But at the same time, anytime a sudden move like this can come, in which Bank Nifty can start trending and it can go higher or lower. But either ways, I think 5,000 would be the limit in either direction. So that's it from the charts. Now let's check the open interest. Let's check the open interest of 2nd September for Nifty. Here we can see that the 16,000 put options are very large. So this is probably the hedges. So people are trying to buy hedges at 16,000 and then they are selling at the nearer strike prices. So you can see that the 17,000 put writers are very large, and there is significant amount of 17,000 put writing being done. So I do not see the markets turning back and falling below 17,000 for this expiry of 2nd September. At the same time, you see very minimal amount of call writing is being done. So here at 17,300 only there was some significant call writing. Call writers are thinking the markets would expire around 17,300 and it won't go higher. But with this kind of momentum, only time will tell. At the same time, we know that in bull markets, the profit booking and the corrections are extremely fast and furious, and you can never know if this 17,000 put writers have gained enough profit or their premium have decayed enough, and if they unwind their positions, maybe call writers would come in the picture and this will start shorting in the money just to drive the markets downwards and do some profit booking as well in the cash market. So in case you are selling puts and calls near the money, you have to do with strict hedging or strict stop loss. So please ensure that. Looking at the 30th September also, we can see everyone from the in the money call options have been unwound. In fact, even at 70,000 call options, people are unwinding the position. So we can see a very strong bull momentum over here, and the put writing has been done in such a significant manner even at 30th September. In 28th October also, we can see that the expiry of October, the 17,000 put writers are quite heavy, but at the same time in October people are putting straddles and the call writers are also there. In November again we can see the lots of straddles going on, but overall there is a positive biasness as put is being written more heavily than the calls. Now coming to Bank Nifty, for 2nd September we can see that the call is still standing tall at 36,500, and we could see that is why the Bank Nifty isn't showing the same momentum as Nifty. Here again we can see that the call and puts have been unwound from in the money strike price of 36,000, and we could see a significant call and put both being written at 36,500. So it seems that Bank Nifty will still be in the consolidation phase of around 36,500. So it will still trade between 36,000 to 37,000. Let's take the long term view of 28th October. And here again we could see that the significant writing was being done at the 36,500 straddle, whereas the call was being written at 38,000. So that was it about Nifty and Bank Nifty open interest analysis. So from that we could see there is a consolidation kind of a view from the open interest in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is likely to consolidate further, whereas in Nifty we could see a strong bullish momentum, and we could see that it will try to go and hit its peak around 18,500 or even cross the 18,500 and try to achieve 19,000. So we'll just have to see if this upper limit is respected or it creates a new upper limit. We could see that this upper channel range is around 18,400 to 18,700. So we'll have to see if this channel range is respected in September or is it taken out. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video. Happy trading. Bye bye.